Tigers belong to the category of carnivorous mammals, representing a very large family of felines, while being a typical representative of the genus Panthers from the subfamily big cats. The word tiger, translated from Greek, means sharp and fast. Tigers are one of the largest predatory animals in the feline family. Moreover, almost all subspecies of this family are large and strong predators, which are second only to bears in weight. Tigers are quite strong, hardy, and massive wild cats. Despite this fact, depending on the subspecies, the weight of wild cats can vary, albeit slightly, as well as the color of their coat. It should be noted that wild cats living on the mainland are always larger than their relatives living on the islands. The Amur tiger and the Bengal tiger are considered the largest animals of this family, although recently the Amur tiger has begun to give primacy in size to its Bengal counterpart. Adults, especially males, grow to almost 3 meters in length and can weigh almost 300 kilograms. The height of the predator at the withers is more than a meter. The body of the predator is distinguished by its elongated shape, while it is flexible and muscular, although the front part of the body is much better developed than the back one. We can say that the tail of a tiger is long, covered with hair, just like the body. On the tail there are transverse black stripes so that they form rings, while the tip of the tail is always black. On each front paw of powerful limbs, there are up to 5 fingers, while on the hind legs there are 4 toes. All paws are armed with tenacious and sharp retractable claws. The head is large and is distinguished by a rounded shape, as well as a protruding facial part and a convex frontal part. The skull is powerful, and the cheekbones are widely spaced, with an approach to the maxillary bones of the nasal bones. We can say that this large beast has relatively small ears, with rounded ends. On both sides of the head are well-defined sideburns. The vibrissae are quite elastic, located in 4 or 5 rows and are white. Their thickness reaches 1.5 millimeters, with a length of more than 150 millimeters. The pupils are round and the iris has a yellow tint. All adults, regardless of species, have up to 3 dozen strong and sharp teeth in their mouths. Predators living in warmer regions have a knot-high and very rare wool cover, although it is quite dense. Tigers in colder regions have tall and fluffy fur. The basic color of the coat can vary from rusty reddish to rusty brownish shades. As a rule, in the area of the abdomen, chest, as well as the inner surfaces of the paws, lighter colors, almost white, are noted. There is also a light tint on the ears, especially on the back. All over the body and on the neck there are stripes located in the transverse plane, and on the back of the body there are much more such stripes than in the front. Below the level of the nostrils, in the area of the vibrissae, as well as the chin and lower jaw, white dominates. On the forehead, in the region of the occiput and crown, a rather complex and changeable pattern can be seen, which is formed